Welcome everyone to Piedmont Triad International Airport in Greensboro, North Carolina. We are the home of Carolina Aircraft. May K. Bueller here with a lovely F33A to tell you about today. She's a 1987 model. Nice paint, nice interior. Let's take a look. So let's talk about your engine. Teledyne Continental IO 520, 285 horsepower engine, 406 on the engine since factory new, and check out your beautiful prop. Only 235 on the prop since prop overhaul. The exterior of this F33A is Matterhorn white overall with blue and gray striping, in good condition. 2,150 hours total time on the airframe since new. So let's check out your baggage compartment. We can carry 270 pounds back here. Love the large cargo door. Carpet looks great. Interior's in good shape. We'll take a closer look in just a minute. Your useful load, 1,087 pounds. So come on in and take a seat with me. Check out the interior. Beautiful tan leather seats in excellent condition. Gray carpet looks really good. Beautiful sidewalls and headliners. This airplane has been very well taken care of. G&D tinted window insert, shoulder harnesses for everyone, and a 4-place intercom system. So let's check out your flight deck. You'll enjoy a Garmin 750 GPS Navcom map. Your Navcom number 2 is a King KX155 digital Navcom. You'll enjoy an Argus 5000 movie map for the ADF display. We have chart view displayed on the Garmin 750. Your traffic is ADS-B traffic on the 750, weather on the 750 as well. Your DME is a King with hold and nav 1 and 2 switching. The ADF is a King. Your transponder is a Garmin 345 with ADS-B in and out and traffic. And your autopilot, a KFC 150 autopilot, slaved HSI, and flight director. Other features you will appreciate: dual control wheels, G&D tinted window inserts, shoulder harnesses for every seat, standby gyro pressure system, Rosen sun visors, dual braking system, dual push-to-talk buttons, leather-wrapped glare shield, and more. This lovely 1987 F33A is looking for a new home. Nice paint, nice interior, only 406 on the engine since factory new. Lots to love here, folks. We have the logbooks, Bonanza school. It's included in the price of the aircraft. We want you to be safe and comfortable in your new to you F33A. We are Carolina Aircraft. We're here at Piedmont Triad International Airport in Greensboro, North Carolina. Come see us, take a test drive. We'd love to meet you. For Carolina Aircraft, I'm May K. Bueller. Thank you so much for watching.